Hey everyone, what's up? I'm out in the garage. The cable to our garage door opener has come off. So now I gotta try to fix it. Let's see how it goes. Okay, so as you can see, the cable has come off the pulley on our garage door. There it all is. So I gotta figure out how to get that back up there. Now, the next thing you want to do is get the garage door as high as it'll go. Okay, so put a pair of vice grips here. A little tighter than that. This is for safety, I'm assuming. Okay. Now we got to get up in there and reattach the cable. Okay, this being an older garage, there's not much room here. So basically I have to attach the cable into there, that little notch, and wrap it around all of those grooves and pull it back out. So let's give that a try. Okay, now that I have it all wrapped around there, I have this piece here, and that's got to be attached into there. So where is it? Into that spot there. Okay, let's see if we can get this. Okay, so got the wire and a little bolt. Stick that in there. Now I gotta get the cotter pin. Find the hole. That's the tough part, finding the hole. Okay, we'll align it so the hole's in the top. See if we can find it that way. Comment below if you've ever had to do this. I'm gonna have to flatten this a bit. Okay, got it through the hole. Let's see if we can open that cotter pin so it sticks. Sorry about my head cover here, but there it is. Okay, I think that's it. Now, let's pull this down. Oh, I guess we should take the vice grips out. Pull this down. Check the cotter pin. Make sure it's okay. Now we'll hook the safety back up here. Everything's connected. Try this. Guess we should lock that in. That locked. looks locked. And go. Okay, and there you go. That took a little over a half an hour to do, maybe 45 minutes. It's cramped up there, but once you get in there, move around and get everything figured out, it was pretty easy to do. Thank you very much for watching, and as always, like and subscribe. Bye-bye.